Shannon Li, Communications Manager from the Australian Water Partnership. I'm here today with Francois Gouws, the Chairman of the Australian Water Association. Francois, can you tell us what was your biggest takeaway from yesterday's Women in Water workshop and what key messages you thought there were?
Well, first of all, it was absolutely wonderful to attend this conference. And the initiative taken by the Australian Water Association in partnership with the Australian Water Partnership, or in support of the Australian Water Partnership, as part of the broader diversity program and channeling change program launched by the two organizations. Just wonderful to see this take effect by having the first Women in Water workshop right here in Vietnam. Or due to this initiative. It was absolutely wonderful to see it, to see how many passionate people attended this, all people who want to make change, who want to drive gender diversity across the water sectors of Australia and Vietnam. So to see that in practice, to see that happening, to see such excellent speakers was just absolutely wonderful, and I was truly honored to be part of that.